Imagine you're on call. Your checkout service is returning 502 errors. Customers can't place orders. The deployment finished only 2 minutes ago. Most teams would immediately blame the deployment and start planning a rollback. But what if the deployment wasn't actually the problem? In this video, I'm going to let my local AI SRE investigate the incident from scratch and see where the evidence leads. No cloud APIs, no production access. Just a local repository, Terraform configuration, generated infrastructure files, and runtime signals. Let's see what happens. The first thing the AI checks isn't Terraform. It starts exactly where an experienced SRE would. Did the deployment fail? The latest deployment completed successfully. The containers are running, pods are healthy. The application health endpoint returns HTTP 200. So the deployment looks good. Normally, this is where many teams would still perform a rollback. But the AI says, not yet. Now things get interesting. The application says it's healthy, but customers are still receiving HTTP 502. That creates a contradiction. If the application is healthy, why can't users reach it? Instead of guessing, the AI starts eliminating hypotheses one by one. Deployment? Ruled out. Container health? Healthy. Runtime? Healthy. Now there's only one major area left: infrastructure. The AI reviews the latest Terraform-managed infrastructure. It examines the generated NGINX configuration. It compares Terraform variables. Then it discovers something unexpected. The application is listening on port 8080. But the generated NGINX configuration is routing traffic to port 9090. Nothing is wrong with the application. Traffic is simply being sent to the wrong destination. That's why customers receive 502 errors while the application itself continues running normally. This is why blindly rolling back deployments can waste valuable incident time. The deployment wasn't responsible. Terraform generated a routing configuration pointing to the wrong upstream port. The AI identifies the exact file responsible. It shows the affected Terraform variable, explains the impact, recommends changing the upstream port back to 8080, regenerating the configuration, reloading NGINX, and importantly, it requires human approval before making any infrastructure changes. That's exactly how I want an AI assistant to behave. Investigate, explain, recommend, but don't automatically modify production. This is the type of workflow I think AI is genuinely good at, not replacing SREs, helping them investigate incidents faster instead of jumping to conclusions. The AI gathered evidence, ruled out incorrect hypotheses, followed the investigation step by step, and found the actual root cause. This is just one scenario in a larger series where I'm building an AI SRE that can investigate realistic production incidents locally. In the next investigation, we'll look at an outage that wasn't caused by infrastructure at all. It would be something else.